Okay, today is the 3rd of December and Christmas is coming very soon. I want to make a fun project for Christmas with all the different electronics and stuff we do on this channel, but I want that project to be together with you guys. Okay, so here's the plan. By the 25th of December, I will put a Christmas tree in my studio with a webcam directed at that tree at all times. I'll use a Raspberry Pi to stream that tree to YouTube and have a controller with smart lights on the tree itself. Now the idea is that you from back home will be able to control each of the lights individually in that tree, turn them on, off, change the color, whatever, and you will be able to see in real time how does the tree in my studio look like right now to YouTube Live. There's two open questions before I go ahead and implement that. And the idea is that this is going to be a video series going step by step of implementing this project. It's not super complicated, but I think it's a pretty fun project. I have a few thoughts of my own on how I want to implement and build it, but I would love to hear your opinion, your input on how you would like, or your ideas of how can we control the tree. So there's two main challenges. Challenge number one, there's many of you and just one tree. So how do we determine who can control the tree or its individual lights at the moment? And second thing, I want to turn it into a giveaway. The terms of the giveaway, how do we determine who gets the prize at the end, is open for discussion. So any ideas you have, leave them in the comments below or come to Discord and talk to me about it. Some of the options I thought about is to get control over a light. Maybe you go and get an NFT, and that NFT allows you to control a specific light. Or maybe I don't give you the control and you need to hack into the Raspberry Pi and gain control. Like maybe, well, let's make it a hacking competition. I don't know. Whoever wins this competition gets a Raspberry Pi 5. Now, how do you win it? Maybe whoever has control the longest. That's one thought. Or maybe we do make it something like we open voting to the most beautiful tree or beautiful colors that are designed, and then based on the voting, whoever wins gets the Raspberry Pi 5. I'm open to any ideas, any like the most geeky thing you can think about, any like crazy concept, anything at all. Leave it in the comments or come to Discord to the Christmas tree channel on the Hacking Modern Live server and let's discuss it and let's make it a fun project. There's going to be two more videos. One is the intermediate one while it's being built, and another one when the project is coming live, when it becomes live on YouTube as well. Cool. So a quick video on that. Let me know what you think. Let me know what you think would work, and see you in the Hacking Modern Christmas project. Bye.